Okay, example number 2 in the parabola at the vertex at 0, 0. So y squared is equal to negative 16x. We all know that we have two equations in the parabola with the vertex at 0, 0. Ano yung mga yon? Y squared, wait lang, y squared is equal to 4px. 4px yan ah. Wait lang, kasi nagluloko tong mouse. X squared and 4py. We all know that this equation, ang itsura ng graph ay opens to the right or opens to the left. Kapag x squared naman, opens upward or downward. Okay? So, example number 2. Y squared is equal to negative 16x. We need to find the focus, directrix, and we need to graph the equation. Okay. Y squared is equal to negative 16x. Given this equation, ano ang gagamitin natin? Ito. Nasa vertex at 0, 0 tayo. This one. Obviously, y squared is equal to 4px. Then, just simply substitute the value of y squared, that is negative 16x. Negative 16x is equal to 4px. 4px. Okay. And then, divide both sides by 4x so that we can find the value of p. So, what is the value of p? Now, 4x cancel. And then, negative 16x over 4x, that is negative 4. So, our p is negative 4. And we all know, kapag yung p natin is positive, opens to the right. Kasi, dalawang itsura lang ng graph ang pagpipilian natin, opens to the right or left. Kaya kapag ang graph mo opens upward and downward at ang equation mo ay ito, mali ang sagot mo. Okay? So therefore, kung negative yan, opens to the left tayo. Expected natin na dapat ang itsura ng ating parabola opens to the left. Kung hindi yan opens to the left, mali ang sagot. So what will be our focus here? Our focus will be negative p 0. That is negative 4, 0. So, therefore, plot natin negative 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, andito yung ating focus. And then, we all know we're still in the vertex at 0, 0. So, 0, 0. Ito yung vertex. So, saan naharap yung ating parabola? Opens to the right or left? Siyempre, to the left. Kasi nandoon yung focus at yung ating P is negative. Okay? So, how about our directrix? Kung ang ating P is negative 4, what will be our directrix? That is positive 4. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, nandito yung ating directrix. Our directrix is x is equal to 4. Okay? So, we are done with the example number 2. We will move on to the example number 3.